The last little bit of housekeeping I want to do here, I want to go ahead and put a text box up here with the search icon and get rid of this purple just to clean it up. And then I'll actually make that text box work a little bit later. So I'm going to do some copy and pasting for that. I want to be in here in our search div. And I want to stick in a text box. So I've just dropped in a text box control. I've given it a unique name so I can use it later. And I've specified the width. And the width of a text box is specified with columns. Then the other thing that I've done is dropped in an image control. And it's just a little magnifying glass that I wanted. I'll save those up. And when I look at it, okay, closer, need to take care of the formatting. So that's CSS. And I'm going to replace this CSS div here. So this is about the holder for the text box and then about the image. And when I do that, I get it looking pretty close to what I want it to look like. And again, a little bit later, I'll go in and make those modifications to make that actually search something. The other thing I would like to do is when I click Login, I would like for the cursor to already be in that box. So that's going to be on the login status control. Code behind. And it's a page load event. And I just need to set that particular login control, which is login 1. That's the control on the page. I want to give it focus. So now if I'm home and I click to log in, my cursor is right there and waiting for me. One more quick thing I want to do here. When I'm logged in as an administrator and I'm in one of my pages working, and then when I'm done and I click log out, it takes me back here to the login page again. I'd like to have that redirect me back to this home page. So I'm going to set that up in the VB of the master page. And my event will be login status 1. So the login control, or the login status control, logged out. So when I click log out off of that login status control up in the top corner, what do I want to happen? I just want to redirect back to that master page, or that default page, the home page. So I've saved this up. Now let's test it. So I'll log in as administrator. I'm in an administrator level page, and when I click log out, it redirects me back to the home page.